Welcome everyone to my Strasbourg Christmas Markets guide and my personal experience of visiting this magical city during the Christmas season. In this video, I will show you the most beautiful Strasbourg Christmas markets, while sharing useful tips and my own impressions from walking through the city. All travel booking links you may need for your Strasbourg trip are available in the description, and by the end of this video, you will be ready to visit Strasbourg at Christmas. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments. Strasbourg is, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful cities in France, and during Christmas time it becomes even more special. The festive lights, half-timbered houses, and warm atmosphere make the city feel like a real-life Christmas postcard. I truly believe Strasbourg is one of the places in Europe where the Christmas spirit is felt in the strongest and most authentic way. Place Broglie is home to the Christkindelsmärik, which is the main and oldest Christmas market in Strasbourg. Walking through this market feels like stepping into history with traditional wooden stalls and classic Alsatian decorations. This is usually the first market I recommend because it sets the tone for the entire Christmas experience in the city. The Christmas market at Place de la Cathédrale takes place right next to the stunning Strasbourg Cathedral. The combination of festive stalls and the Gothic architecture creates one of the most impressive Christmas scenes in the city. This area is especially beautiful in the evening when the lights reflect on the cathedral facade. Place Kléber is famous for hosting the Great Christmas Tree, which is one of the symbols of Christmas in Strasbourg. The market here is lively and spacious, and it is always full of locals and visitors. I enjoyed spending time here just watching the atmosphere and taking photos of the massive decorated tree. Place Benjamin Zix is located in the heart of Petite, France, and offers a smaller, more traditional Christmas market. The canals and historic houses around make this spot extremely romantic. It is one of my favorite places to slow down and enjoy a warm drink. Place Saint-Thomas hosts a more local and Alsatian-focused Christmas market. The stalls here highlight regional traditions and crafts rather than mass-produced items. It feels more authentic and calm compared to the main markets. Place du Château is located right beside the cathedral and focuses mainly on artisan and craft products. You can find handmade decorations, wooden toys, and unique gifts here. This market is perfect if you are looking for something special to take home. The Carré market at Place du Temple Neuf is elegant and well organized. It blends beautifully with the surrounding historic buildings. I found this market very pleasant for a relaxed walk. Place Gutenberg is known for hosting the Guest Country Christmas Market. Each year a different country presents its culture, food and crafts here. It is a great place to discover international Christmas traditions in one spot. Square Louise Weiss is transformed into a charming Christmas village in Petite, France. The setting feels like a fairy tale, with bridges, canals and lights all around. This area is especially beautiful for evening walks. The Gourmet Christmas Market is located on the terrace of Palais Rohan. This market focuses on high-quality food and local delicacies. It is a great stop if you want to taste something special in a refined setting. Strasbourg Christmas markets are perfect for tasting traditional French and Alsatian Christmas food and drinks. You should try mulled wine bredela cookies, flamme cuèche, sausages and melted cheese dishes, which are all very popular during this season. Most food and drinks usually cost around 5 to 10 euro, depending on what you choose. The Christmas market stalls in Strasbourg offer a wide variety of products, from decorations to food gifts. You can buy handmade ornaments, wooden toys, candles, spices, and traditional Alsatian souvenirs. Many of these items are unique to French Christmas markets and make great gifts. Le Gruber is one of the most iconic buildings in Strasbourg, and during Christmas time, its historic facade is beautifully decorated with lights and festive details. Strasbourg is famous for its traditional Alsatian style, and its Christmas decorations make it feel warm and welcoming. Le Coin d'Alsace stands out with classic festive decor that perfectly represents the Christmas spirit of the region. Le Fifebriader catches attention with charming Christmas details that look especially beautiful in the evening. Galeries Lafayette adds a grand and elegant Christmas atmosphere with impressive lights and decorated windows. La Maison de Hansel and Gretel feels like a fairy tale house with playful and colorful Christmas decorations. Chez Yvonne is decorated in a cozy and traditional way that makes it one of the most charming Christmas spots. Au Fond du Jardin offers a more intimate festive feeling with soft lights and tasteful decorations. Winstub Le Lorquez reflects authentic Alsatian Christmas charm with rustic decor and warm lighting. Winstub Le Clou is beautifully decorated in a traditional style that perfectly fits the Christmas mood of Strasbourg. Rue du Marocain is a narrow street where Christmas lights and decorations create a very cozy atmosphere. Rue des Orfèvres is filled with festive details and feels magical while walking through during Christmas time. La Petite France becomes a true winter fairy tale with lights reflecting on canals and historic houses. Rue Mercière offers stunning Christmas views with the cathedral framed by festive decorations. Place Gutenberg is lively and beautifully illuminated, making it a great spot to feel the Christmas energy. Rue des Grandes Arcades is full of shops and Christmas lights that make walking here very enjoyable. Rue des Hallebards is decorated from start to end and feels especially vibrant during the festive season. Rue des Moulins has a calmer charm with elegant Christmas lights near the water. Rue du Dôme feels peaceful and festive at the same time and is perfect for a relaxed walk. Grande Rue connects many key areas and is fully decorated, creating a continuous Christmas atmosphere. You can start by exploring the vibrant streets of Strasbourg, where festive lights and decorations turn every walk into a joyful experience. And trying traditional Alsatian cuisine is a must, because Christmas time is perfect for discovering local flavors in cozy restaurants. Taking a day trip to Colmar and nearby Alsatian villages is very easy from Strasbourg and adds even more charm to your holiday. While a canal cruise offers a different perspective of the city with beautiful reflections of Christmas lights on the water. Joining a wine tasting tour is a great way to discover Alsace wines and warm up during winter days. And visiting museums such as the Alsatian Museum or the Fine Arts Museum is ideal when you want a break from the cold. Tasting mulled wine and fresh pretzels at the Christmas markets is one of the simplest pleasures here, and shopping for Christmas gifts and souvenirs is very enjoyable thanks to unique local products. An afternoon walk along the canals is relaxing and very scenic during this season, and exploring the Alsatian architecture helps you understand why Strasbourg feels so unique. You can find affordable tour options through the links in the description and book activities easily in advance. You should definitely try flamme-cuche at Mama Bublé, escargot at Le Baïkov d'Alsace, a good entrecote, and local Alsatian pastries, because these dishes represent the region very well. In a mid-range restaurant, a main dish usually costs around 20 to 30 euro, while street food at the Christmas markets is more affordable and perfect for quick tastings. If you want to experience many local flavors together, you can also join a food tour and find good value options through the links in the description. Strasbourg offers many accommodation options, including luxury hotels, daily rental apartments, and guest house choices suitable for different budgets. The best areas to stay are the city center Petite France and locations close to the Christmas markets, because you can walk everywhere and easily return to your hotel to rest, change clothes, or warm up. During Christmas time, central hotels can be very expensive, with prices around 500 to 600 euro per night, but we found a room for around 220 euro per night at Cerisa Part Hotel, which is only 10 minutes away from the center by tram, and you can find good accommodation deals through the links in the description. Strasbourg is a very safe city where tourists can travel comfortably at any time of the day. Transportation is extremely easy with trams. The city center is very walkable. The local currency is euro, and visitors can move around without any difficulty. If you prefer a shorter trip, you can spend 2 full days only exploring the Christmas markets and the city center. If you have more time, you can extend your stay to 4 or 5 days and combine the Christmas markets with visits to Alsace towns, villages, and relaxing activities around the region. I truly enjoyed visiting the Strasbourg Christmas markets and spending time in the festive streets because the atmosphere felt warm and joyful. Strasbourg is without a doubt one of the most special Christmas cities in the world. Thank you very much for watching this Strasbourg Christmas guide and spending your time with me. All the links you may need for hotels, tours, activities, and travel planning are available in the description below. Please like the video, subscribe to Alt Galip Travels, and leave all your questions and thoughts in the comments.